Critics argue that Malaysia conceded too much in the new trade deal with the United States signed during the ASEAN summit. However, founder and CEO of Strategic Counsel, Hafidzi Razali, points out that negotiating with an economic superpower like Washington is rarely straightforward and often demands a delicate balance between principles and pragmatism.
First of all, we don't have the leverage against the US. We have to admit that the US is one of our largest trading partners. It's a global superpower, and a lot of the innovations and research as well as products coming from the West or the global order are actually from the US. So in that sense, that's already a disadvantage when it comes to negotiation. Secondly, also, we do have to understand that the US also has strong presence in Southeast Asia in terms of not just geo-economic but geopolitical presence as well. So with that, on that note, it's always about how we can negotiate for us to not lose too much and still come to a win-win situation, although on surface it may look like we have conceded quite a bit of our economic flexibility. But in a larger sense, that's why Malaysia will always have to diversify its market partners, which is what Malaysia is trying to do through the ASEAN Championship. And as we grew to be more diversified, naturally that's also going to be a hedge against the potential volatility in the relationships with our trading partners. And in this case, it's the United States, but who knows what would happen in the future. And that's why it's always important to be inclusive, which is what the Prime Minister has been trying to advocate for.